That's the Sensex and that's the Nifty for you. 7 points down for the Nifty, and for Sensex also it's a rather flat start, which is perfectly acceptable. Now let's look at Kane India. The numbers were below estimates, but what could cheer the stock today is hope of a strong dividend, and like Darshan mentioned, CLSA is maintaining a high conviction buy on Kane. You know, they've got a 30-page report on Kane where they're justifying a buying here. L&T numbers were strong, but Kotak and CLSA, they are maintaining that the stock at these levels is richly priced. But technically, it's the stock has been on a tear this year. It's up 65%. That makes L&T the best performing Nifty 50 stock this year. HDFC Bank, it's got massive upgrades across the board from local and global institutional investors. Hero MotoCorp numbers are due today. Bajaj Auto is holding on, and Lupin also, which is now part of the Nifty 50. So the first time Lupin will be coming out with numbers in its Nifty 50.
Oh yes, it sure would. KN, Idea are all result reactions. I want to see Idea, considering the earnings from Idea Cellular actually beat analyst forecasts, and Idea has gotten off to a good start. So up by about 1.5% currently in trade, 82 plus levels in Idea. You've also got earnings from DHFL. Tata Coffee came out with a very smart set of earnings. So let's see what Tata Coffee is up to, and it's a gap up start there. Good 4% bump up is what you're seeing for Tata Coffee, wherein the PAT has ballooned all the way to that 46 crore rupee mark. The income from operations as well has come in at 470 crore rupees versus a comparable of 416. Good numbers coming in there. Phoenix Mills, Mahindra Forgings, Kolte Patil are all result reactions that we should bring up for you on your screens. Indiabulls Power ahead of its earnings is holding up by about 2%. Mahindra Forgings good going. Kolte Patil as well has started off well in the green. Should we even get you a status check on KFA, considering it should be a gap down start yet again? And there you go. 1035 is where the stock is now. So besides the Nifty 50 names, a whole host of mid-caps as well are slated to come out with their earnings. Watch out for what Yes Bank does. While JP Power, of course, has had a very good start. Expectations of a strong set of earnings from JP Power. Most of our technical analysts as well have chosen to go long. Yesterday as well, you saw good traction come in on JP Power. Today as well, the stock makes a move of 1%. Andhra Pradesh paper as well slated to come out with its earnings. Indiabulls Infrastructure, Indiabulls Real Estate, United Phosphorus, Arvind are all companies which are going to come out with their earnings today, so watch out for that.